Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of computer hardware. Whether you're a newbie or just looking for a refresher, this is your one-stop shop for all things PC components. We're talking CPUs, motherboards, RAM, the whole shebang. It might seem intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. So grab your screwdrivers and let's get right into it. First up we have the CPU box. This metal shell is crucial for protecting your processor. Think of it as the bodyguard of your computer, keeping that expensive silicon safe from dust and spills. But it's not just about protection. A good CPU box also helps with airflow, preventing overheating. It's all about creating a stable environment for your processor to do its thing. Next up we have the motherboard, the real MVP of your computer. This big old circuit board is like the central nervous system connecting every component. You've got slots for your CPU, RAM, graphics card, storage drives, everything plugs into the motherboard. It's the heart of your PC, and choosing the right one is crucial. Now let's talk about the CPU, often referred to as the brain of the computer. This little chip processes all the instructions that make your computer run, from browsing the web to playing games. A faster CPU means a snappier and more responsive computer, so don't skimp on this component. Interface cards, also known as expansion cards, are like accessories for your computer. You've got graphics cards for gaming, sound cards for enhanced audio, and network cards for internet connectivity. These cards plug into specific slots on the motherboard, boosting performance where you need it most. Want to run the latest games at max settings? You'll need a beefy graphics card. Remember those expansion cards? They need a place to live, and that's where card slots come in. These slots on the motherboard accommodate different types of interface cards, allowing you to customize your system. Before buying that fancy new graphics card, make sure your motherboard has the right slot for it. The hard disk or hard drive is your computer's long-term memory. This is where all your files, applications, and operating system are stored. You've got HDDs, which use spinning platters, and SSDs, which use flash memory for faster access times. SSDs offer faster boot times, while HDDs are more affordable for large storage needs. Let's talk cables. These guys are essential for making sure all your components can communicate with each other. We'll go over the different types of cables and their functions in more detail later, but for now, just know that cable management is key to a clean build. The SMPS, or switched mode power supply, converts power from your wall outlet into usable energy for all your components. Choosing the right SMPS is crucial, as an underpowered unit can lead to instability and even damage your components. The NIC, or Network Interface Card, is your gateway to the internet. This card allows your computer to connect to a network, whether it's wired Ethernet or wireless Wi-Fi. Most modern motherboards come with a built-in NIC, but you can also get dedicated network cards for faster speeds. Last but not least, let's talk about ports. These are the physical interfaces that allow you to connect external devices to your computer, like your monitor, keyboard, and mouse. You've got USB ports, HDMI or DisplayPort for external displays, and audio jacks for your headphones. Knowing your ports and what they do is essential for connecting all your favorite devices. So there you have it, folks, a crash course in computer hardware. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the CPU to the NIC. By now you should have a solid understanding of the essential components that make up a computer. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads.